Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making mini corn tortilla pizzas. So let's get started. Yeah, to make our mini corn tortilla pizzas, we have 1 cup of tomato sauce, 1 cup of Fiesta cheese blend, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Over here we have 1 cup of diced ham, and over here we have 9 slices of pepperoni. Yeah, and we're going to be using these. Our 6-inch corn tortillas. Yep, that'll do good and be nice and tasty. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, let's move some of this out of our way. Now we're going to go ahead and use our griddle, our cast iron griddle, and we're going to spray it with our little oil spritzer. Give that a little coat of oil. And we're going to take our 6-inch tortillas and we're going to put them right in there. See if we can get them to fit. Okay, there you go, nice. Then we're going to go ahead and take our tomato sauce and we're going to put some of that right on top. Spread that around. Okay. Now we're going to take some of our mozzarella cheese and we're going to put that on top. Yeah, we love our cheese, don't we? Yeah, we got to put more on this one. Okay, let's put some on this one. Okay, let's put a little more on this one. Okay, that's it. 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Now we're going to take some of our Fiesta cheese blend and put that on top. Because we love our cheese. Yep. Okay, now we're going to take some of our ham, our chopped ham, and we'll put that on there. Okay, that looks good. Now we're going to take our pepperoni and we're going to put them on there. Okay, that ought to be pretty good. Boy, that looks good already. I don't know if you can see it or not, but these are getting kind of big. Yeah. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take a little more Fiesta cheese blend, put that on top. This makes it taste good. There's like 3 different kinds of cheeses in there. There's like a sharp cheese, a jack cheese, and a couple other ones. I'll put a listing in the video description there of what all the cheeses are in there. Wow. It's a lot of cheese. But we love our cheese, so. What's pizza without cheese and tomato sauce and pepperoni? Yeah. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take that and put it in a preheated 350 degree oven and bake it for 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, let's get them out of there. They're done. There they are. Wow. Boy, they look tasty. Yep. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of oregano on there. Just a little bit. Tiny bit of pepper. Because we like pepper. A little bit of garlic powder. And if you want to, you can put some red pepper on there. Just a couple. Little shakes. Okay. Now we're also going to add a little Parmesan cheese. Grated Parmesan. Boy, don't they look nice? I bet you they're going to taste good. Alright, let's go ahead and have a taste. Yeah, let's do that. Wow, there they are, guys. Boy, don't they look good? Our mini corn tortilla pizzas. Yeah, boy, they smell good. Okay, we're going to have to get into a piece of this. It smells so good. And we'll just go ahead and do that. Yeah. Let's use our pizza cutter, and we'll just go ahead and cut this in half. A couple different ways. Make like little chunks. Let's see if we can get under there because it's really hot. I mean hot. Okay, wow, do you see that? Look at that little bite of pizza there. Boy, that looks good. Yep. Okay, let's just go ahead and have a taste. Yeah, that sounds good. Boy, are they tasty. You're really going to enjoy these. Just go ahead and make them that way because they're not going to last long. Yep, you might have to make more. Yeah. Yeah, I just got to have another little bite. Alright. Look at that little pizza. Yeah, it's loaded with flavor. Okay. Mmm. Good. Okay, guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.